Hi, it's Brianna with journal number 1 for EDAD 608. I have been excited about this class since doing my initial observation hours back in EDAD 695. Through my observation, I realized that a lot of becoming an administrator is dealing with discipline and behavior on campus. I'm excited to take part in this course to better learn how to build a school community and implement positive behavioral practices as a school site. I am currently the PBIS coach, and I feel this class would only add to my knowledge of positive behavior practices and how to implement them school-wide. After reviewing the assignment tabs, the thing I'm probably the most concerned about are the group projects and just finding time to meet with our group to accomplish the tasks, knowing that everyone is so busy with their other assignments and as school is winding down for the year. Overall, I'm looking to get out of this course a better understanding of school discipline and the school policies and state policies surrounding school discipline and how that affects the way you can handle behaviors on a school site. The experience and expertise I have, I feel contribute is my knowledge of PBIS. I am the PBIS site coach and have been trained in PBIS Tier 1 and Tier 2. So I do have a lot of background knowledge on that topic to add to our discussion.